Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. So this video I will show you beautiful room decorations. I hope you will like this video. If you also don't forget to comment and press the bell icon when I post my new video, you get the notification first. And which room decor, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see some very beautiful decoration, the lights and all in the floor, the beautiful decoration, the VIP modern room, you can see very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and on the floor, the bed and the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the small plants, the floor, the thin floor, the chair and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, the roof, the beautiful lamp and the light on the floor also with the theme. It's also the blue color bed. You can see the roof also. You can see the lights and all, and the gold type lights, the lamp, and very beautiful. And this also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the lights and all, the roof also, the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration. This also the floor. You can see the color floor, the bed, the roof, the side bottom. You can see it is also very beautiful decoration, very good. This also you can see the floor, the roof, the walls and all, very beautiful decoration, the lights and all, very good decoration, looking very good. This also you can see the lights, the mirror, the side mirror, the wall, the floor, the bathroom and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the painting, the wall painting art, very beautiful. The lamp and the side wall, you can see this also. You can see the wall, the lights and all, the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see very good. This also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the lights and all, and the floor also very beautiful. The wall decoration. This also you can see the floor, the lights and all, and table. You can see beautiful lights. The bed also. This also you can see the floor. You can see very beautiful. The side you can change the dress and all, full dress, very beautiful decoration. This also you can see the bed area, but this isn't good bed now. This is also very beautiful. The mirrors and all. This also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, the floor, the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration, very good also. And also you can see the curtain, the white color and the brown color, very beautiful decoration. The roof and the bed also, very beautiful decoration. And also you can see the curtain, the bed and all, very beautiful. I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment and press the bell icon when I post my new video. You'll get the notification first. And which room decor, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.